Alright guys, we are in the Boxster and we're gonna do a engine running video. Not quite a cold start, as I intend to do that tomorrow morning. I drove it a few hours ago, so I guess this is kind of a cold start, but not really. This is a lot harder to do than you think. Let me get situated here. So it looks to me, it looks like to me, I should say, it looks like the water pump, you can see the metal is newer, so it's got a newer water pump on it, which is good to see. Everything is where it should be. No funny noises. We can watch the compressor cycle. So I just turned it off and turn the back on. So if you can, you know, if you're looking for a under 10K manual Boxster, and you can see past some of the cosmetics on it, this is a great little driver. And it's a stick shift, not tippy. And I think the supple leather seats I put in with the headrests, the embossed headrests, it's pretty neat. Because this is a manually operated or a drive-by cable, when you consider this a 99, I basically wiped the dust off the intake there. I've seen engines so much more dirty than this one. But again, I don't want anybody to think this is supposed to be a cold start video. It is not a cold start video. The motor is at temperature. I intend to do my cold start video tomorrow morning, Thursday morning. I just don't want there to be any confusion about, is this a cold start video? It is not a cold start video. Even though the cold start video sounds pretty much just like that. I had one on Bring a Trailer once, and there was this whole confusion about the Boxster. There was this whole to-do about the cold start video, so I want to be abundantly clear about that. This is not that. The AOS looks like it's been replaced at some point. Sure to me. Alright, well, cool. If you have any questions, let me know, and thank you.